Please note, the following video contains randomness. In this video, we will take a trip down memory lane and relive the good old days of Windows 98. It is also important to note that this Windows 98 machine is being emulated through a program called DOSBox X and is being used from a blind user's perspective. With that in mind, the way we navigate the user interface will be different in our case, opposed to what a sighted user would traditionally see on screen. Now, without further delay, let the fun begin.
Speech mode talk. Desktop list OBS Studio 21 of 50. Home File Explorer. Pane. Home tab selected 1 of 1. List. Select synthesizer dialog. Synthesizer combo buttons.
Home File Explorer. Rate was off. Rate 55. Rate 4. Rate 25. Preview. Level 1 home. Preview button show or preview list. Quick access grouping expanded 1 of 2. Tab control. Add new tab but up to desktop. Refresh home. Add one suggestion. Home split button collapse. Search home edit. Copy button. Copy the selected items to the clipboard. Preview button show or preview. Home 1 of 15 list. Quick access grouping expanded 1 of downloads 2 of 10. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. Red spot stream demo.zip 1 of 311. Earlier this week grouping expanded. Win2k.co2 last week grouping expanded. Win1022 Windows 2000 Winner earlier this month grouping expanded. WinTalker.nvda add-on 26 of 3 Win7 Pro 32-bit Winx.co2 Windows XP Pro WinZip Win7 last month grouping expanded. Windows 2000 Womite Wade.wav Win9 Win98 129 of 311 items view list. A long time selected. Items view list. Last week grouping a long time ago grouping expanded. A long time Win98.conf 2 of data.m 3 of 9 Win98.bat 4 of 9. C. Windows System 30 Windows 98 DOSBox X 2024. Windows 98 DOSBox speech mode off. JAWS for Windows is ready. For screen sensitive help press insert plus F1. For JAWS help keys or help and dialog boxes press insert plus H. For a summary of Windows shortcut keys press insert plus W. Taskbar desktop list view not selected 1 of 12. Tab start button. Tab toolbar. Tab taskbar. JAWS tab. JAWS tab. JAWS tab. Enter JAWS. Menu bar file. Voices. Utilities. Voices. File. Voices. Utilities. Language. Menu active. JAWS language submenu grade. Synthesizer language submenu. Change synthesizer submenu. Menu eloquence for JFW. The dock access. Sound Blaster requires Creative Labs Text Assist. Microsoft Text-to-Speech Engine. FlexTalk software. No speech. Eloquence for JF. Doc Access 32. Sound Blaster. Microsoft Text-to-Speech Engine.
Leaving menus. Menu bar. File. Voices. Menu active. Global top. Keyboard top. PC cursor top. Menu. Configuration manager. Menu. Global Keyboard PC cursor top. Leaving menus. PC cursor voice options dialog. Volume edit. Set this using system volume control. Rate 200 left right scroll bar. 24%. Pitch 100 left right scroll bar. 19%. Person combo box. Sam. Sam.
Mike. Mike.
Mary. Top of window. Top of window.
Mike.
Sam.
Bottom of window. Mary in space. Bottom of window. Mary in hall. Bottom of window. Mary in stadium. Bottom of window. Rothersoft 6. Bottom window. Rothersoft 5. Bottom of window. Rothersoft 4.
Bottom of window. Rothersoft 1. Bottom of window. Rothersoft 2. Bottom of window. Rothersoft 3. Bottom of window. Mike in hall. Bottom of window. Mike in. Bottom of window. Mike in space. Bottom of window. Bottom of window. Mike in. Mike in hall.
Top of window.
Sam. Punctuation combo box. Some. OK button. Cancel button. Help button. OK button. JAWS.
Speech mode talk. Edit focused read only multi-line info. Global commands. Script navigator object dev info. 213528 Windows 98. DOS-Box X2 speech mode off. Speech mode talk.
Shift F3. F3. F3.
Input help on. NVDA plus F3. NVDA plus F2. The next key that is pressed will not be handled. NVDA plus 1. Input help off. Pass next key through.
This is the JAWS application window. To toggle the keyboard help on or off, press Insert +1. Use Alt to activate the menu bar. Bottom of window. Bottom of window.
Pass next key through.
Top of window. Menu bar. File. Voices. File. Leaving menu bar. Menu bar. File. Menu active. Run JAWS first checked. Menu bar. Top of window. Menu. Close. Maximize. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Enter. Start menu. Windows Update. Programs. Favorite submenu. Documents submenu. Settings submenu. Find submenu. Help. Run dot dot dot. Log off James Bond dot dot dot. Shut down dot dot dot. Windows Update. Shut down dot dot dot. R. Leaving menus. Run dialog. Type the name of a program. Folder. Open edit combo. Winver. Backslash. Blank. Archive.n. Version. R. N. I. Blank. 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 W. eb.archive.org/ I. Blank. Enter. Windows dialog. Windows 98 copyright 1981-1999 Microsoft Corporation. OK button. Top of window. Bottom of window. Enter. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. JAWS tab. Enter. JAWS. Menu bar. File. Voices. Utilities. Language. Help. Help. Language. Bottom of window. Menu active. JAWS language submenu grade. Synthesizer language submenu. Change synthesizer submenu. Menu. Eloquence. Menu. Change synth. Menu. Eloquence for JFW. DD Talk access for DT software.
Leaving menus. Bottom of window. JAWS cursor. PC cursor. Menu bar. File. Voices. Menu active. Global ... Keyboard ... PC cursor ... Menu. Configuration. Menu. Global ... Keyboard ... PC cursor ... Enter. Leaving menus. PC cursor voice options dialog. Volume edit. Set this using system volume control. Rate 250 left right scroll bar. Pitch 95 left right scroll. Pitch 90. 94. Person combo box. Paul. Pitch 94 left. 93. Person combo box. Paul. Pitch 93 left right scroll bar. 14%. Person punctuation combo box. Sum. OK button. Cancel. Help button. Cancel. OK button. Enter. JAWS.
Pass next key through.
Unloading JAWS. Quit JAWS for Windows dialog. Are you sure you want to quit JAWS? Quitting stops speech and unloads JAWS from memory. Press OK to quit or cancel to abort exiting. OK button. Tab. Cancel button. Enter. JAWS. JAWS cursor. PC cursor. Root JAWS to PC. PC cursor. Menu bar. Bottom of window. Menu active. Restore grade. Move. Size grade. Minimize. Maximize grade. Close. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. JAWS cursor. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. PC cursor. JAWS cursor. Tab. Start button. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. PC cursor. JAWS tab. JAWS tab. Tab. Desktop. List view. Tab. Start button. Enter. Start menu. Windows Update. P. Accessories submenu. HAL submenu. JFW 331 submenu. Online services submenu. Orfuse submenu. SAM submenu. Startup submenu. Internet Explorer. MS-DOS prompt. Outlook Express. Windows Explorer. Window Eyes submenu. IBM Homepage Reader 3.0 submenu. Sound Blaster AW32 submenu. Accessories submenu. Communications. Entertainment submenu. Games submenu. Internet Tools submenu. System Tools submenu. Address Book. Calculator. Imaging. Notepad. Paint. Notepad. Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Untitled Notepad. Edit. S space S space A space T E F T space I O N space N O O N space J A W S space I N space N O T E P A D period space
Exit NVDA dialog.
space space E T apostrophe S space F E E space O space I T space F O U N D S space I T A space D E C T A L K period space top of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Bottom of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Bottom of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Is. Bottom of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Bottom of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Top of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. And. Home. Bottom of window. This is a test OF JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Is. This is a test O JAWS. O test O space space J space O space T space O space space J A double S space F double A J space 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 F O space space O F J space F O space top of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Home. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Bottom of window is caps lock on, caps lock off. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Selected text is Shift up arrow. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. H. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. This. Menu bar. File. Leaving menu bar.
Root JAWS to PC. Scroll down simple. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad period.
Let's see how it sounds. Scroll up simple. Scroll down simple. Scroll down simple. Scroll left simple. Scroll right simple. Resize. Scroll left simple. Scroll down simple. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad period. Let's see how it sounds. Scroll up simple. Scroll left bottom of window. Scroll left simple. Scroll right simple. File edit search help. Untitled dash notepad. PC cursor. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Note left C ha it sa with space S space W. F JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds with Deck Talk. Deck Talk period blank. Space period space blank. Enter. Menu bar. File. Menu. Close. Max. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. Tab. Toolbar. Shift tab. Start button. Tab. Taskbar. JAWS tab. Enter. JAWS. Menu bar. Voices. Utilities. Menu active. Configuration manager. Menu. JAWS language. Menu. Configuration manager. Enter. Leaving menus. Untitled JAWS configuration manager. Bottom of window. Menu bar. File. Bottom of window. Menu active. New. Open . Save. Save as. Open default file. Control plus Shift plus D. Enter. Leaving menus. Bottom of window. Top of window. Menu bar. File. Set options. Reset options. Set up. Menu active. User options . Text processing . Format options . Text processing . Menu. Reset to factor. Menu. User options . Text processing. Enter. Leaving menus. Text processing dialog. Sale line radio button checked. 1 of 3. Sale sentence radio button. Sale paragraph radio button checked. Sale line radio. Sale paragraph radio tab. Sale say blank lines checkbox not checked. Tab. Punctuation mode controlled by JAWS radio button checked. Tab. List items say not selected radio button checked. 3 of 4. Tab. List items speak items stage first checkbox. Tab. Number processing controlled by synthesizer radio button. Tab. Mixed case processing checkbox checked. Tab. Dictionary processing checkbox. Tab. Speak window type first checkbox not checked. Tab. Speak window stage first checkbox not. Tab. OK button. Tab. Cancel button. Tab. Sale paragraph. Shift tab. OK. Enter. Default.jcf JAWS configuration manager. Enter. Top of window. Bottom of window. Menu bar. File. Bottom of window. Open. New. Open. Save. Enter. Leaving menus. Menu. Menu exit. Enter. Leaving menus. JAWS. Menu bar. File. Bottom of window. Menu active. Run JAWS first. Menu bar. Leaving menu bar. Top. Minimize. Side. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. L. The following Windows keyboard commands can be useful. To open JAWS, top of window, JAWS tab, Untitled-Notepad tab. Enter, Untitled Notepad, edit. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Blank. Bottom of window, blank. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Bottom of window, the H, I. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. It, of. Bottom of window. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad. Let's see how it sounds. Let's see how it sound with deck talk period. E C T A L K period space blank blank. Bottom of window blank. Control down arrow.
Root JAWS to PC. This is a test of JAWS in Notepad period. Let's see how it sounds. Scroll up simple. Bottom of window. This is a test of.
Control down arrow.
This is a test of JAWS in Notepad period. Let's see how it sounds. A-S-S.
PC cursor. Blank. Space, period, blank, blank. I, L, L, space, J, U, F, space. 1, P, E, space, I, F, space. F, O, E, space. F, O, E, space. E, X, T, space, space. U, N, period, space. Bottom of window. I'll just type in some more text for fun. O. O, space, period. Period, space. Enter. O, Y, comma. Space, E, space. C, L, O, X, space, space, E, S. Space, O, U, T, space, O, space, A, S, period, space. And. Bottom of window. Okay, let's close out of this. Menu bar. Menu active. New, exit, enter, leaving menus, notepad dialog. The text in the untitled file has changed. Do you want to save the changes? Yes button. Tab, no button. Enter. Tab. Menu bar. Close. Restore. Move. Size. Minimize grade. Move. Size. Minimize grade. Enter. Leaving menus. Tab. There is currently no item with focus. Press Insert plus F6 to get to the desktop, or Alt plus Tab to read the apps on the taskbar, or Control plus minimize all apps. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Enter. Start menu. Windows Update. Programs. Enter. Accessories submenu. HAL submenu. HAL. Install MSTTS4. HAL. Install Online Help. HAL. Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Shift tab. 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 Top of window. Title equals. Minimize all apps. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Tab. Toolbar. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Blank. Blank. Tab. Desktop. Shift tab. Start button. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Blank. Blank. PC cursor. Blank. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. J. JAWS. Menu bar. File. Menu active. Exit. Run. Keyboard. Menu bar. Leaving. Bottom of window. Menu active. Keyboard submenu. Menu. Laptop checked. Desktop. Space. Tab. Enter. Leaving menus. Tab. Menu bar. File. Menu. Close. Maximum. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. Blank. Blank. Bottom of window. Blank. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. Tab. Start button. Tab. Toolbar. Toolbar. Tab. Blank. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. Tab. Enter. Start menu. Programs. Enter. Accessories submenu. HAL submenu. HAL. Install online. HAL. Install HAL. Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Enter. Start menu. Windows Update. Programs. Favorites. Document. Favorites. Program. HAL submenu. HAL. Install MSTTS4. Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Microsoft Text-to-Speech Engine dialog. Please read the following license agreement. Press the page down key to see the rest of the agreement. Please read the following license agreement. Press the page down key to see the rest of the agreement. Tab. Yes button. Enter. Microsoft Text-to-Speech Engine dialog. Cancel button. Tab. User 1. Tab. Cancel button. Shift tab. User 1. Cancel button. User 1. Tab. Tab. Blank. Taskbar. Blank. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Blank. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Enter. Start. Programs. Favorite accessories. HAL submenu. HAL. Install MSTTS4. Enter. Leaving menus. Start button. Microsoft Text-to-Speech. Tab. Yes button. Enter. Microsoft. Tab. Tab. Button. Tab. User 1. Enter. Tab. Blank. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Tab. Desktop. List view. Not selected. 1 of 12. Tab. Start button. Alt semicolon. Tab. Toolbar. Tab. Taskbar. Alt P. JAWS. P. Blank. Alt semicolon. Semicolon. P. Left bracket. Space. Alt semicolon. Alt shift semicolon. Alt slash. Alt apostrophe. P. Blank. Menu bar. File. Leaving menu bar. H. Menu active. Help. S. F1. Quick reference. What's new? Customizing JFW. End user life. Technical support. About JAWS for Windows. JFW help topics. F1. Quick reference. What's new? Customizing JFW. What's new? Customize end user license. Technical support. About JAWS. JFW. About JAWS for Windows. Enter. Leaving menus. About JAWS for Windows dialog. JAWS for Windows job access with speech version 3.31.35 serial number 10,000. Bottom of window. JAWS. Semicolon. Colon. Alt Control O. Alt Control P. Alt Control semicolon. Alt Shift semicolon. Control Shift semicolon. Control semicolon. Alt apostrophe. Menu bar. File. Leaving menu bar. Menu close. Alt plus. Restore grade. Move. Size grade. Minimize. Menu bar. File. Voices. File. Menu. Keyboard menu. Laptop. Space. Enter. Leaving menus.
JAWS cursor.
PC cursor. Enter. Enter. Menu active. Close. Max. Minimize. Size. Move. Restore grade. Size. Minimize. Enter. Leaving menus. Taskbar. Blank. Blank. Tab. Desktop. Tab. Start button. Enter. Start menu. Windows Update. Shutdown. Enter. Leaving menus. Shutdown Windows dialog. What do you want the computer to do? Shutdown radio button checked. 2 of 4. Tab. OK button. Enter.
Loading NVDA. Please wait. Start toggle button not pressed. Desktop list. OBS Studio 21 of 54. Outlook Quick Start.pdf. OBS Studio 21 of 50. VMware Workstation Pro 13 of 54. VMware Workstation. Pane. Property page Mac OS Pixar Author. Version. State. Powered off snapshot. Configuration file. C. Users. Power on 3 view. Level 1. Windows XP Pro. Windows 98 not. Windows Me not select. Windows 2000 Pro. Stormux not selected 9 of 9 level 1. Window Win98, File Explorer, Items View Desktop List, VMware Workstation, OBS 31 Controls with Stop Recording, Pause Recording button.
Well, that concludes part 1 of this series. In part 2, we will be diving into the unknown with Windows XP, and maybe even Windows 2000, depending whether or not I can get my hands on a copy of Fusion. I think that stuff is freeware now, at least Workstation is, considering that the company behind VMware ARE kind of got bought out by Broadcom a while ago. But yeah. Anyways, that concludes this video. Until next time, you folks take care.
Speech mode, stop recording button.